Good morning, this is Papa Smurf. Today I'm going to try and pick, if the light will cooperate, another Abus 7240. That's the bitting on this one. This is again a stock lock. And I know from taking the previous one apart that it's normal standard pins, driver pins, key pins, and it'll be spools in 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And I'm going to have a go at doing this with a short Euro hook from Padlocks. So here we go. And it is currently 7:30 in the morning. I'm up in Forfar in Scotland. It's dark, wet, miserable. I'm sitting here with 45 minutes to kill, waiting for this place to open so I can deliver. I've only opened this lock once, so excuse me, my cold's not getting any better. Come on, you bugger. Okay, reset. Got a bit of warding. Excuse me. I'm not sure when I'm going to be publishing this, but today's the Thursday before Christmas. Oh, never mind. There we go. Another open. That was the Abus 7240 on this particular model, labelled at 21. These numbers are from the person that I bought these locks off. That was his numbering system. I do have another bright green Abus, so there is two, which is numbered 20, which I'm going to try and pick in a few minutes. And the previous one, the red one, was 22. I do have other locks with me, which I may attempt to pick and get on video. But thank you for watching. See you next time.